in Jackson, right? Hold on, bro. I'm talking to you, bro. Hold up. Hey, bro, look, get the room. You not listening to me now? Alright.
You have reached the voice.
Look, you call me back. Alright, so I'm good. Whenever y'all. And then you just leave and don't say nothing.
Like the three of y'all get there to the school, you know, at 1 or whatever to do sound check set up, then I'll just hang back until it's time for me to come through and get that
Sound like playing we create.
Right.
So
Let's running in the rain.
after the movie, then we start playing.
Yo,
Hey man, why are you going like 90 miles an hour, bro?
I'm not. I'm going 80.
Bro, you are way in front of me. I gotta go 88 just to catch up to you. I'm on 82 right now. And I'm catching up right now because you got cars in front of you, in front of me.
Come on, brother. I see you.
Yeah, I see you, but you really was gunning it for a second.
Come on, brother.
I'm just telling you what you was doing, man. I had to do 88 just to try to catch up.
I'm just having fun.
I'm not trying to have fun with a speeding ticket in Alabama. Yeah.
The Taco Bell, the Wendy's, the Popeyes, the Arby's, anything sounds delicious.
Nah.
No?
No.
Alright, well, I'm gonna keep. Well, so you want to sit down?
I prefer someplace where we could sit down.
Alright.
Like I said,
Keep rolling.
yeah. Unless y'all want to just grab something.
So we want to sit down. Nigga, you've been driving. You came from Columbia. Have you been driving? No. That was the Ruby 26 Jam mobile. It wasn't on the sign.
Not on the sign. That was not on the sign.
I think we got a couple extras before we come up
Yeah,
down.
I think so too. I think I know. I think I recognize that one.
Ain't nothing wrong. 5.5 hours drive.
Say what?
Look, Mobile, I'm on your side. I said whatever Mobile want to do, I'm down the road. And then he had a problem. It's your decision. So y'all got to talk about that. I'm just saying we stop and get some eat. Like it's gonna be like an hour. I don't want to get into take out business, but that's the case. I'm just saying to sit down and like kids in the middle. And like I don't want to eat heavy. But I feel like that's all I can eat when I sit down. So I'm gonna do my best not to. And T-Mobile pays them no attention. Is T-Mobile paying me no attention?
No, actually, this one.
Okay. I'm reading my menu. I'm sorry. I know you.
I wasn't thinking of
Well, you said sit down. See, so don't try to throw me under the bus. It seems
that bus is just coming through.
It seems as though somebody made an executive decision. Time out. No. I can show you the call. You can show me the call. You definitely said you want to sit down.
Said I'd rather sit down.
Rather sit down, meaning what? What other options are sit down? Sit down. Well, I don't think that's it should be. Hey Siri, is sit downable a word?